これが、
熊本のお菓子ゆいの花です。
もうあんた開けてあるの見せて。
ちょっと待って、ちょっときれいにするわ。
はい、
ボロボロになって。これね、栗の形してて、中に栗のあんこ。
回して。栗のあんこ。
はい。と、こしあんと、
ちょっと待って、こっちね。
周りが和三本です。
特別室の人だけがもらえる。
和三本。
砂糖の種類ですね。日本の上白糖とか、黒糖とかの中の一種で和三本っていう種類があるんですけど。
いいよ砂糖。
はい。
これがそうなの、そう書いてあるのね。ここで作ってるわけではない。
熊本のお菓子です。
大分のなんで大分のお菓子出さないんですか。
ここの姉妹館が黒川温泉にあるんですけども、そのグループの中でそこの黒川荘が一番初めにできまして、
なるほど。
はい。で、おかみさんのセレクトで。
そっか。
はい。
わかりました。香りっていう特別室で、こんな感じでウェルカムスイーツね、いただきます。ありがとう。So we are in Hita, Hita, in Oita Prefecture, which is on the island of Kyushu in Japan. And what we're going to do is show you one of the 3 tokubetsu shitsu, which are the special rooms, at Sanso Tensui. This room is 102, called Kaori. This Ryokan is in Hita, which is about 45 minutes from its more famous Yufuin, and about an hour from Beppu, 2 of the more renowned and well-known hot springs areas. This is within Hita. This is called Amagase Onsen, and this is one of the ryokans here. It flows along the banks of the Kusu River, and this is a hot springs haven for a lot of Japanese, although increasingly foreigners are catching on because of this 19-room luxury ryokan tonight. Supposedly 80% are non-Japanese. So people are catching on to the coolness of this place. So this is again 19 rooms, of which 3 are special rooms. Each of the rooms are also different in terms of decor, vibe, things like that. I believe they were all refreshed in 2017. This one, you can see it's kind of gives a Taisho era vibe. Taisho is the era before Showa, so in the early 20th century. You're surrounded by lush forest. I'm going to go slow because the lighting is not very good right now, and it's indoor anyways. So this is the main living area. So you can have meals here in this room. Not all rooms allow it. It's just the rooms, the 3 special rooms, as well as the rooms that don't have in-room onsen. Practically, I guess it's because of the room layout or something like that. So this is a Western style bed, another TV. Oh, I forgot to show you. So let's go this way. Oh, this is the bathroom. Over here. Yep. It has the latest whiz-bang. I checked the newest model. So let's go back this way. Over here is where they store extra futons, things like that. Another look. So over here, you have an actual real closet you can hang stuff. Here you have the yukata robes. Here you have the samue, which are more loungewear, originated or closely related to what Buddhist monks wear as their work clothes, as they're tending the garden or just doing things around the temple. And then you have, I don't know what that is, a vest, things like that. So again, you can hang your clothes, a real place to put your rollerboards, which is rare in a ryokan because often you have to just put it down somewhere on the floor. So, see, there's the coffee and tea, mini bar area. You can see it's a matter of taste. For 1 or 2 nights, it's kind of a cool contrast to the very traditional Japanese ryokan or even the modern, either Japanese or Western modern type of hotels or inns. You can see the hot springs, the onsen bath outside. So you could have, so this Kaori room has both an indoor and outdoor onsen. A lot of the places, the indoor one is not. But this place, I guess they have an abundance of hot springs flowing. You can really smell it too. And I love the smell of onsen. Well, there's distinctly different smells of the hot springs, depending on where you go. I'm not gonna go out that door because I'll wet my feet. So we'll come out this way. I think we can go out from here, yeah. So they have geta, clogger type Japanese shoes. Ah, a rock bath. Really nice. There's a coolness factor of this, right? Well, it's nice if it's like a hinoki cypress wood. It's also nice to have a rock bath. This is all to ourselves. Again, this is where you saw the indoor bath. So down below you see the river, and then there's a waterfall back there. Let's see if we can get a better view of that. So let's walk around the far end of this terrace. You can see that there's a sitting lounge area. Sit around. Okay. The guy praying. You can see like little nice touches aesthetically. So this ryokan was formed in 1998, so it's not like it was around during the turn of the 20th century, but I guess that's the aesthetic that they chose. So I guess with the foliage, there's not much you can see of the waterfall. You can hear it. But it's right there. And I think you can see the river down there. So anyways, in summary, 19-room luxury ryokan in Hita, which is in Oita Prefecture on the island of Kyushu. There's 19 rooms, of which 8 have in-room onsen, and of which 3 of the 8 are special tokubetsu shitsu rooms. And this is one of them, Kaori. And again, you want to check their website for the different layouts because they all do look and feel differently. But the onsen smell is awesome. I did check out the, there's again 3 gender segregated communal baths and then 5 private rental baths, which are Some of them actually do have the waterfall view or are right along the banks of the river. So a lot of variety in the type of onsen that you could check out. So either privately or with a group of friends or family, even if you're, zoomed out too much. Or you can just go for something like Kaori and get all the best of all worlds. Hope you enjoyed.